Hello kids. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? How are you all? Welcome to your favorite Mimikis YouTube channel. So, as I promised you yesterday, today I am going to teach you sound blending. Okay, now tell me, I asked you to practice 3 sounds, s, a and t. Did you practice? A, Yes, you did, right? Good job. And without those 3 sounds, we can't start blending today. That's why. Now I hope that you all practice well and now you are ready to learn sound blending. Okay, first of all, let me teach you what is blending. The blending is if you mix 2 or more things together, it will form something new. As an example, if you mix 2 colors together and it forms a new color, so that is blending. Like simply it's mixing together. Okay, and now I'm going to show you an example. I have here, can you see this? I have red paint and I have yellow paint. So now I'm going to mix these 2 colors together. I'm going to blend these 2 colors. So then let's see what will happen. I'm going to blend these 2 colors, red and yellow. I'm blending red and yellow, red and yellow. See, the color is changing. So, and it became orange. See, we mixed red and yellow. Now it became orange. The same like this, we can blend a letter sound as well. So now we are going to blend letter sounds together. And I know that you remember these sounds. I have here a and t, a, t, a, t. Now I'm going to mix these 2 sounds together and I'm going to blend. I'm going to blend these 2 sounds together. A, t, a, t, a, t, a, t. When you blend these 2 sounds together, a, t, a, t, a, t, a, t, at, 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 at. When you blend a sound and t sounds together, it forms at, 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 at. See how fun it is, right? And how much easy to learn English. So now you know wherever you see a and t sound together, these 2 sounds together, you know that they make at sound, right? Wherever you see a and t sound together, it means when they together they make at. A and t, when a and t sound together, it makes at. Okay. And do you remember? Now I'm going to teach you one word with 3 letters. You only learned 3 letters, right? 3 letter sounds. S, A, and T. Right? Now you know wherever you see this A and T sound together, 2 sounds together, it means they make at sound, right? And do you remember this? Do you remember this sound? Dun, dun, dun. Yes, this is S. This is S. 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 Snake. Now we know this is at. This is at. And when you put S with at, S, S, at, S, at, sat, S, at, sat, S, at, sat. You know, wherever you see this A and T sounds together, it makes at sound. Then, when you put this S sound with at, it makes sat, S, at, sat, S, at, sat, S, at, sat. Wow, guys, you guys know one word with 3 letters, and you only learn 3 sounds, and now you know how to blend, and now you know how to read. My goodness, that's awesome. You learned only 3 sounds, S, A, T, and now you know how to blend, and now you know how to read. Wow, amazing, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video and hope you like this blending. And until next video, you can practice this blending with your parents. Okay, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more fun and exciting videos and activities. Okay, guys, then see you soon and love you all.